Hi, welcome all to Enrich Your English, and I'm very happy to meet you all. And in this video, we're going to learn about the words which are related to cooking. Come on, let's get into the video. The first word you should be familiar is saute. Saute means cooking the food in a minimal amount of oil or fat over a high flame of heat. If we are preparing a vegetable gravy, we initially saute the vegetables with onions, tomatoes, garlics, and we saute it very well at high flame. And only after that we add masala powders, chili powders, etc. So the first step which we do is sauteing the vegetables. We can say saute the vegetables, saute the onions till it turns the golden brown. And this is what all is about saute. The next word we are going to learn is blend. Blend means to mix all the ingredients so that they combine together and produce into a fine texture. So here we use appliances for blending. Now we take 6 to 7 red chilies, 3 garlics, 1 tomato and few curry leaves. We blend them gently into a fine paste. Thus we get a chili chutney. The next word we are going to see is grate. It is to produce into a fine particles when it is rubbed against a coarse surface. We grate the carrots for cooking. We can also grate a cabbage, onions and cheese, and this is what is called as grating the vegetables. The next word we are going to see is marinate. Marinate means to enable the flavors of the masala or sauce to absorb into the meat or soak all the masala to the meat for some time before cooking. Now mix the ingredients chili powder, chicken masala powder, a few drops of lemon juice and egg with a pinch of the salt to the chicken and allow it to marinate for an hour. Then fry the chicken, you get a yummy delicious chicken fry. The next word we're going to see is knead. To make a dough, we knead them with a flour mixed up with water by continuous pressure, punching and folding with the hands to enable them to create a smooth dough. We knead the dough to make parotas, chapatis and gulab jamun, etc. That's it, and hope you have learned 5 words which are related for cooking. Let's recap the words which you have learned. It is saute, blend, grate, marinate and knead. Thank you guys for watching, and to keep me posting more videos enthusiastically, do subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.